5 people have been killed on Saturday and 15 injured in violence in Haryana over reservations for Jats. The army is continuing to carry out flag marches in all 8 affected districts. Already a shortage of fuel, milk and in fact drinking water for Delhi is being reported due to the road blockades.
There is a curfew here. No one is supposed to be out on the roads. But as you can see, there is open defiance in Bahadurgarh, right outside Delhi, on the main highway to Rohtak in Haryana. We've convinced this crowd of protesters to let us report from here. For now, they say we are permitted. But with men wielding sticks and metal rods, there is clearly a lot of tension. What's more, there is no one leader of these protesters. Everyone here has an opinion. Some people are angry, others insist they are all peaceful. But what is clear is this: no one will back down, not for a moment.
जब तक हमें ओबीसी में 27% आरक्षण में शामिल नहीं किया जाता, जब तक हमारा आंदोलन जारी रहेगा।
हम आरक्षण या तो बिल्कुल खत्म हो, नहीं तो जाटों को मिलना चाहिए। जब ओबीसी में यूपी के जाट रहे और राजस्थान के रहे तो हमें क्या है?
अगर आप देखें तो रोहतक में भी ऐसा ही हुआ था। जो वकील जाट वकील थे, क्योंकि हर कोई किसी न किसी कौम से बिलोंग करता होता है। दूसरी कौम वालों ने उन जाट वकीलों पे आके हमला किया है। शुरुआत वहां से हुई है।
हम ये कह रहे थे कि सर कि अभी तक हमारे यहाँ से कोई मिलने नहीं आया, ना कोई बीजेपी का ना हमारा कांग्रेस का। वैसे हमारे से वोट मांगने सब आ जाते हैं।
There are literally dozens of protest sites like this all around this area. Road access is prohibited. Trucks have been placed on the roads, their tires deflated. This is the main highway between Delhi and Rohtak, and as you can see, there are hundreds of protesters all around me. The numbers vary. People over here say that there are several thousand over here, but in this particular location, perhaps several hundred. And these protests are taking place every few kilometers. Protests where the road is blocked. This is the main highway, it is blocked, and all the people here have one simple message: they will not leave this spot until there is a guarantee of reservation for Jats. With camera person Girish, Vishnu Shom for NDTV.